Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. Well, really just one word change in it. So I changed the word makes into the word helps here, and this whole design says time is an illusion that helps things make sense. And let's go ahead and talk mostly about this word here. We have a horseshoe shape with two lines sticking from it, so that makes it an H. And if you look in the grid above me, you can see that in the top row, there is the column with two lines coming from it at the top, and that's the letter H. So by the letter H, just above it, you see two lines, and it's in the same row as like the letter B, and right next to the letter B, there's that horseshoe shape. So here's the H. Here's our E, our little vowel on the line of our word circle. The L is a floating circle with three dots, and a P is a floating circle with two lines, and our S is 1, 2, 3 lines. And conveniently, the word makes was here before, which allowed that same letter S, which was the only really interacting letter with another word. It still is an S, so I could just replace it very easily. So yeah, that's the adjustment to this design. I'm glad you liked how it looked at the beginning, but I'm also glad you caught the quote error before you got it tattooed. So yeah, that's that. Hope you like it. Bye.